Earth from space, slowly rotating, cinematic sunrise, epic documentary style, 4K. Primitive human village thousands of years ago, small straw huts, peaceful morning.
Villagers gathering around a fire discussing trade. Farmer carrying baskets full of wheat through village. Hunter returning with fresh meat from forest. Farmer offering wheat to hunter. Barter system.
Hunter refusing trade because he doesn't need wheat.
Close-up of confused villagers during barter exchange.
Multiple villagers attempting unsuccessful trades. Narrator: barter had a problem. Ancient marketplace crowded with traders.
Villagers exchanging pottery for vegetables.
Fishermen trading fish for tools. Blacksmith trading metal tools for grain. Marketplace becoming chaotic due to barter limitations.
Ancient shells displayed as early money.
Cowrie shells exchanged between traders. Close-up of colorful shells used as currency.
Salt blocks stacked in ancient market. Traders exchanging salt for goods.
Livestock being used as payment. Ancient beads and gemstones displayed. Traders weighing valuable items. Caravan carrying early currencies across desert. People struggling to transport goods. Discovery of shiny precious metals. Gold nuggets found near riverbank. Ancient craftsmen melting metal in furnace. Molten gold poured into molds. First metal pieces used for trade. Ancient Kingdom of Lydia panorama. Craftsmen minting first coins. Close-up of ancient electrum coin. Coins being stamped with official symbols.
Merchant happily accepting coins.
During a successful trade, ancient marketplace filled with traders, warm sunlight, realistic historical clothing, ultra-detailed. Bustling Greek marketplace, using metal coins for daily transactions. Merchants selling pottery, fruits, and textiles. Ancient Greece architecture. Roman merchants counting silver coins on wooden tables. Crowded Roman forum. Detailed historical costumes. Realistic atmosphere. Persian traders exchanging coins in a vibrant desert market. Colorful fabrics and spices everywhere. Ancient Persia. Ancient trade routes expanding across continents. Caravans moving through deserts and mountains. Epic aerial view. Large merchant ships transporting goods across oceans. Sails blowing in the wind. Golden sunset reflecting on water. Huge piles of metal coins stacked inside a merchant warehouse, symbolizing growing wealth and commerce. Dramatic lighting. Merchant struggling to carry heavy bags filled with coins, showing limitations of metal currency. Realistic historical scene. Ancient Chinese city during the Song Dynasty. Crowded streets, merchants and travelers everywhere. Vibrant culture. Narrator: Chinese merchant receiving an official paper certificate instead of coins. Historical transaction moment. Detailed clothing and architecture. Thirst paper money being exchanged between traders. People observing with curiosity and amazement. Historical China. Extreme close-up of ancient Chinese paper currency. Intricate symbols and textures visible. Shallow depth of field. Traders celebrating easier transactions using paper money, smiling and conducting business smoothly. Lively marketplace. Paper money spreading throughout Asia via trade routes. Animated historical map transitioning between regions. European merchants discovering paper currency for the first time, examining banknotes with curiosity. Historical setting. Historical printing press producing large quantities of banknotes. Mechanical movement, detailed craftsmanship. Early banking institution storing gold reserves securely. Grand stone building interior. Historical atmosphere. Customers exchanging paper banknotes for gold coins at a traditional bank counter. Realistic historical banking scene. Massive underground vault filled with gold bars and treasure. Dramatic lighting reflecting off gold surfaces. Close-up of stacked gold bars glowing under warm light.
symbol of wealth and stability, ultra-detailed. Historical world map, highlighting nations using the gold standard, animated educational visualization, elegant transitions.
Banknotes backed by gold reserves, visual comparison between paper currency and physical gold.
Industrial revolution, factories operating with steam engines and machinery, smoke rising into the sky. Rapid economic growth with factories, railways, and expanding cities, illustrating rising demand for money. Government officials discussing major monetary reforms around a large table. Formal, historical setting. Symbolic transition from gold-backed currency to fiat money, gold bars fading into modern banknotes. Modern bank printing secure paper currency using advanced machinery, detailed production process. Various world currencies floating and rotating in the air. People shopping in a modern city using cash for everyday purchases, busy urban environment, realistic crowd movement, retail stores and street markets visible. Close-up of money changing hands during a transaction, detailed focus on hands and banknotes, symbolizing economic exchange and trust. Narrator, diverse people confidently exchanging goods and services, smiling customers and merchants, visual representation of trust and money. Massive computer servers processing financial transactions worldwide, glowing data streams moving between machines, advanced technology atmosphere. Narrator, customer paying with a credit card at a modern retail store checkout counter, smooth transaction process, detailed payment terminal. Online banking interface displaying account balances, digital transfers, financial data moving across a futuristic screen. Smartphone making an instant contactless payment at a coffee shop. Modern digital lifestyle, quick and seamless transaction. International money transfer visualized by glowing lines connecting continents across Earth. Global financial network expanding worldwide. Worldwide digital financial network connecting millions of people and institutions. Flowing data streams surrounding the globe. Bitcoin, symbol emerging from streams of digital code. Futuristic cyber environment. Glowing binary data surrounding the cryptocurrency icon. Blockchain technology, visualized through interconnected digital blocks linked together in a secure, decentralized network. Cryptocurrency market charts moving dynamically across multiple screens, traders monitoring digital assets and market trends. Futuristic smart city operating with a cashless economy, digital payments integrated into transportation, shopping, and daily life. People paying using smartwatches and wearable technology, seamless transactions occurring instantly in a modern urban environment. Advanced AI-powered financial system managing global transactions, futuristic control center filled with interactive holographic displays. Timeline showing the evolution of money from shells, metal coins, paper currency, credit cards, digital payments, and cryptocurrency. Planet Earth surrounded by glowing digital financial networks and flowing data streams connecting every continent. Rotating Earth in outer space, illuminated by glowing financial networks, inspiring futuristic atmosphere. Text appearing, the story of money continues.